Let's go.
Enemy limits, I jump back into public eye. Swirling women to city. By now you wish I fucking died, but I electrify. Get executed by the execution of my local wake for the human eye. This human mind. Guess what's happening? They told me to sit. I fell off that pot. I right back on that crap. And I said fuck it, but a capitalize. Look who's back to attacking and I feel like it. You can eat shit, fuck off, little bag of the You right back like I'm back and I'm not kick rabbit in mine. You wanna get jumped out of me? What kind of crap is that? What kind of rap would I? Before I let another rapper think he's hot, I'll turn my face into pinky Rondo. Grab my headspace is limited, ain't even room in the back of my mind. Why I ain't thinking about you, I don't got time, and I told you it's after time. I'm time to put an alkaline battery and voices back in at the same time with juice in mind. God damn, it's what I have to die.
Swallowness.
Minutes, filling my pen is sitting, spilling my lyrics, killing. Then I let you witness shit when it hits the feeling. A nigga's willing to give the listeners the sickest feeling, like mixing some business, drilling, business, filling. Then I'm feeling the clip with a written. Can you picture my pistol drilling a million women and children when I'm illin'? But it isn't real, it's a rap. On the real, it's a rap. How could you possibly stop the apocalypse when I'm atomic bombing the populace? Shot the metropolis, hostile as a kid, popping the Glock at his mom's and his pops. Then he hops in his drop with his iPod rocking his slaughterous documentation of lyrics. I write with confidence, write like a columnist slash novelist. I'm in this game to demolish it, establish my dominance over prominent rappers. You popping shit to your opposite. I can spit ominous or spit politics. Now I'm Holly Selassie Gandhi in pocket is hip hop genre.
Yes. Swallow, yes.
Lyrically, I'm a cocaine alkaloid. Ability to brain, it's a no-brain bow-boy. Physically, I'm literally a cocaine cowboy. Wait, did I just go almost 4 bars without talking about my big dick? The other day, me and your big bitch had a great date. We ate cake and then we walked, and then she tried to jack me off, but she lost, cause she couldn't handle my shake weight. I swear, the irony of Ryan is I am bipolar while I'm rhyming, standing beside a big old white bitch. One of us fights it. You were literally looking at Woody and Wesley in a movie where a white boy ain't got to jump nowhere, cause I'm here. Nigga, I'm on fire, yeah, and I'm every bitch's dream. 1, 2, I'm coming for you. I'm a big old nightmare. Nigga, slaughter, step it up. I pretty much slap your ass and tell you to shut the fuck up.
Fuck up.
After that, I slap your ass again and tell you to shut the fuck up, shutting up. And that's how you body a fucking beat.
Swallow, yes.
I should be the one that goes. Man, get a stopwatch clock my flow. Hit the button on top, watch your drop. Oh, that, oh, yeah. When I drop, I go out of space. Black out like Darth Vader's face. Place in the molten shower. Say something and get them proper. Mama, Papa pouring out vodka. Mama, Mia, and pass me the Caesars. It's Caesars in the slaughterhouse. Better get boy, go home. Better get boy, keep on chrome. Better get boy, walk Sanchez, Antonio Holmes. I'm not showing any of your home. Wait, sitting in the lab, picking up a pad. I've been spitting bad. I'ma get you mad with this. If I have low duck suffering, sick attack. When a trigger blast, I'ma put your beats on your fit head. What a nigga hat. Sip a yak, bad bitch, and a vicious track. I'm into that. Five pro tools, the both stroke smooth. I coast to the west like we're cooking into that. New York is the piggyback ride to the motherland. Hold on, brother man. On the other hand, get down. I'm gonna fan done, but you with the eagle handle cutting game. I don't wanna talk. I just wanna beef. I don't wanna peace. I wanna know, baby boy. I don't wanna eat. I wanna feast. Stuff my cheeks for rough beats and shit. You done weak. I'm the one complete.
Shout. So, but yes.
What they call us. Hey, you married to the game, but you probably should have came to the altar. Every bar like propane for the soda. You try to hang in the fortune. Imminent Mr. Porter. Slaughter my sentiments. Imminent torture. All of your feminine marauders that swim in that water. Men will assault you. Tommy's the bastard, a symbol of sorta. Kidnap your trembling daughter. At least a quarter. I'm a innocent supporter. Got an aura more like Sodom and Gomorrah. Normally, something's wrong with me. Blaming the quantity of the porn I see on the porns to me. When I fix the game, they'll think shit came with a warranty. How the fuck they gonna stop what I was born to be? Corner me. Shit belong to me. Two choices. You can get along with me or sit your faggot ass right there in dormancy. Wait, all he missing is guilt to be RuPaul. Ain't nobody that's real ever New York second to none, and I'm dealing with bones whose time I never come down dealing with the blue ball. You ain't gotta fear me, but you respect me. Niggas who never met me, threaten me, wanna Gillette me. Coming to store fight, get some machete, swinging spaghetti like it's heavy. Some steady, deserve an SP in a Chevy like it's ready. Put the Desi with his chest piece.
So, yes.